Hello folks, so today I'm going to make a simple video explaining how to get stock data, stock quotes from quantmod into R. So let's begin by just creating a new script here, and we can write the following just to keep an eye on what we are doing. Install and load packages, and we want to install a package called quantmod. It's also good to have this package at all times when working with data like this, dplyr, and then we load those two. So library quantmod and library dplyr. Next up, we can get the stock data. So get stock data, and let's say we want to get Apple and Google stock. So in that case, we would get the following. And this data, I believe, comes from Yahoo Finance. So if you want to get the ticker symbols and whatnot, you can go on there and check what those are. So get symbols, and do Apple. And we want to get the data from, let's say, 2015 onwards. So 2015 onwards, like that. And we do the same thing now for Google as well. So we just change the stock quote here. We also want to assign a data frame. That's good to do as well. So assign data frames. And in that case, you want to write the following. So Google, see here, I can copy this one. So Google as data dot frame there, and then you just write Google. And we want to do this for Apple as well. So you just do the same thing, AAPL as such. And then if we run all of this, so I can show what happens. We get the following data. So Apple and Google, we get it up here in the data section. But as you can see, the dates are in the row name section. And so this is tricky here. So to fix this, we will do the following. We want to change row names as date. And in that case, you write the following code. So it's, for the case for Apple, it would be Apple $date. And then we do an arrow row dot names, and we go Apple. We would do the same for Google. So Google and Google. Now if we run these, you should see here we have now the dates. And now let's say you want to create a merged data set with these two data sets we have now. Then you do the following. Merge the data sets. So we write merge underscore data. We get the arrow and merge Google, Apple by equals date. So we're merging it by date. So we run this, And now we have a new data set called merge data, where we have both the Google and Apple daily stock quotes, and we have the data as well. However, as you see, we have a lot of variables here. We have volume, we have closing price, low and high. But let's say you want to get the adjusted prices. So you want the adjusted Google price, adjusted Apple price, and the date. Then in that case, you do the following. You basically take the data set merged data. You write subset the merged data, and we want to select the adjusted closing price, the adjusted price for Google and for Apple, and we want the dates as well. So we do the following: equals C date. So these are the columns we are selecting to keep in our data set. And we are keeping Google dot adjusted, and you get that here. So the adjusted Google and the adjusted Apple price. And AAPL dot adjusted. And if we run this now, let's see if this works. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we're supposed to be merged here. In any case, we could. There. That's the problem. No. There. Now, if we run this should work. So if we open up the merged data, now we have the date, the adjusted Google price, and the adjusted Apple price.